Roo here. We say that like roo, like a kangaroo. The X is silent.
Shh.
There are many words where they have a silent letter or even a silent syllable. Let's learn. How do you say this? Castle? Nope. The T is silent.
Shh.
We say castle. Knit? No. We do not say the K sound.
Shh.
Knit. Okay, last one. Wreck? Nope. The W is silent.
Shh.
We say wreck.
Castle. 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 Whistle. 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 Thistle. 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 Christmas. 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 Listen. 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 Knit. 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 Night. 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 Knife. 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 Wreck. 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 Wrench. Wrench. Wrench.
1,
Castle. Castle. Castle.
2,
Whistle. Whistle. Whistle.
3,
Thistle. Thistle. Thistle.
4,
Christmas. Christmas. Christmas.
5,
Listen. Listen. Listen.
6,
Knit. Knit.
7,
Night. Night.
8,
Knife. Knife.
9,
Wreck. Wreck.
10,
Wrench. Wrench.